Hey guys, just a quick video. I recently decided to do a chrome delete for my car. I have a 2017 Q5. So the window trim was chrome. The roof rails were chrome as well. Where else? And the grill. The grill was chrome as well. What I ended up doing, I ended up buying vinyl wrap on Amazon and bought the tools, the heat gun, everything I needed to do this. Actually, it took me a couple of days because I didn't really have a lot of time to spend doing this. Oh, and I also did this right here as well. I also did that little strip right there and bought the badges on as well. I'll put the link below, so if you guys are interested in doing this, you guys can go ahead and order those parts. It's not very complicated. It does take time and patience, so you gotta be really patient. But you know, once it's done. Oh, I also did the door handles. I had to take them out because it was a lot easier to work with the door handles out. I drove my car through a car wash a bunch of times. Actually, it still looks as good as new, you know. I heard that this should last around 5 to 7 years. So, I mean, it's been like only about 3-4 months. It looks good, you know, looks good. So I wrapped all this was wrapped by me. These little strips, I wrapped them as well. The badge, I purchased it on Amazon. I'll provide the link below. But all this area, I had to wrap it. It's not bad, you know. As I said, it does take a lot of time and patience, but it's doable. It's doable. Once again, I will provide the links for the products that I used. Any questions you may have, hit me in the comments. I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. But yeah, I mean, thank you for watching. Bye.